everyone, it's Billy. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I am going to bring you to one of my favorite Japanese restaurants. So it has a lot of branch in a shopping mall in Thailand, and I really suggest this restaurant to you if you love Japanese food. First of all, you will save a lot of money, and second of all, their food is really high quality. So, and one last thing that I would like to mention, so this video is going to be a last video of this year, which is 2021. Yes, I will go back again, I guess maybe second week of January. And yes, I know that I talk too much, let's jump right to the video. My favorite Japanese restaurant. Again, if you have a chance to travel in Thailand, which is I know that this year is might be a bit difficult for most of you guys because of the pandemic, but yes, if you have a chance, maybe next year things will get better and you travel to Thailand and you would like to try Japanese food, I suggest this Korean restaurant. It's a high quality food, as you can see, and yes, it, like I said before, you will save a lot of money because they have like kind of like different course which is includes everything. And however, today is 31st of December of 2021. I hope you guys have a really good time with your parents, your lover, whoever you be with, and thank you so much for your support, because this year it's kind of like a mixed feeling for me, but I appreciate all of your support. I appreciate that a lot, and however, I will do my best, keep doing the video for you guys, and if it's that not too much, it's going to be 10 people left that my channel will hit 300 subscribers. So yes, if it's not too much to ask, I hope that I hit 300 subscribers for the last day of this year. So yes, I talk too much. Again, Happy New Year. I hope that you guys have a really good time, and yes, see you next year. Bye.